How to insert a table in Gmail. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So go to compose section, but unfortunately you will not be able to see any kind of option where you will be able to add a table. So what you have to do is go to Google Docs, then make a table over there like this, and now what you have to do is simply copy this table, go to the mail and paste it. Now you can easily make a table in Gmail using this workaround. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.